Hello everyone, it's Earl Everson and welcome to Elite Document Solutions. Today I'm going to be talking about document management. How can you scan, how can you store, index, but more importantly retrieve documents by a fingertip. It's very simple. But first of all, I'm going to show you a photograph from one of our current customers. It's scary, but I know you're going to be able to relate to this. Many of you are going to be able to relate to this. This was their current system. They had file cabinets everywhere. They had one room full of file cabinets, paper everywhere, completely unorganized. And the customer said, Earl, how can you help us become more organized? I want to take all of these file cabinets and shoot it up into the cloud. And I want to be able to retrieve those documents very easily. And I said, Mr. Customer, we can do this. And it will only take us about an hour to implement a document management system to allow you to do that. Now, if you have this type of setup and you want to have a cloud-based system where you can work remotely, retrieve documents, because the beauty is you want to be able to scan, index, store, but more importantly, you want to be able to retrieve those documents at will. And we can give you that capability and the power to do it. Please feel free to reach out to me here at Elite Document Solutions because I want to introduce ProcessIQ to you. Thank you.